Hi, this is Manesh Patel with blackbar.com. Today is May 4th, beginning of next month and almost middle of the quarter. Not many opportunities this week for the TNT strategy. You can see the list was very, very short. And if you look at the results here, we pretty much had 3 winners, 0 break even, and 0 losses. So not many opportunities, but the opportunities we got were pretty good. Here's leg here. This one actually had a shade here, so that was a good scenario. XRX here, this was a non-shaded opportunity here. And then this here was also a non-shaded opportunity. So you have 2 opportunities here, XRX and KSS, that basically popped out with from a consolidation pattern because they don't have a shade, and one opportunity here which had a shade here. So not much opportunities at all. These here broke out but didn't fit our criteria of pulling back enough before it broke out. So HPQ, HRX, Disney, and then Baxter here. So, and then all these here did not fit any criteria and did not break out at all. So pretty much the summary of this week, which is a low opportunity week, was 3 winners, 0 break even, and 0 losses. You're not going to sit there and get a whole bunch of winners every week. Just the idea that we got 3 we're pretty happy with. This week's list is also coming up, is short too, so we don't expect the markets to do much at all. Now, one thing to say is that we made another we broke the weekly high on all the indexes last week. So you should have started seeing a lot of opportunities last week and this coming week, but you don't. So, and the reason why is you're going up with too much volatility, which is not a good scenario, and that's one of the reasons why you're not seeing many opportunities on the TNT side. So be very careful in thinking the market's completely bullish because anything really can happen now. We're getting very close to the major resistances on the E-mini, NASDAQ, and the Dow. Pretty much the resistances that started everything to go down. So it'll be interesting to see what happens by the end of this week, to see if we continue to keep on going up or we're finally going to do a pullback and then see how far that goes. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section. Please also like and share the video.